Born in the heart of the country's textile blossoming Surat, Acme Creation has been committed to bringing versatility to the world of textiles since 2006. Having been operational for about 17 years now, shouldered by the experience of over 50 years in the textile industry, the family business has since grown from humble beginning of textile trading to dyeing and printing processing mill to Schiffli embroidered fabric manufacturer. Acme is run by dynamic second-generation entrepreneurs. With a unique design and creative team and a dedicated technical team of experts for innovative and customized developments, Acme produces 2.4 million meters of embroidered fabric annually. And in the next 5 years, they are planning to expand 5 times their current capacity. What sets Acme apart is not just the quality of the work that they do, but also the duly crafted manner in which they build themselves. They are a one-stop solution for any kind of Schiffli embroidered fabric. Being led by a team of inspirational women, Acme is slowly revolutionizing the face of textile in the country. They ensure that the manufacturing activities are carried out responsibly for a sustainable future. They are spearheading the movement of the textile industry towards the corporate world. Acme is a progressive, process-driven organization who has standard operations for ensuring constant progress and to serve their customers for a seamless experience. Acme has grown into an internationally well-known export-oriented manufacturing company recognized for its designing, reliability and impeccable innovation, and who sends out a bulk of products to Southeast Asian nations, Western Africa, Europe and USA. Acme is one of the organizations who truly understand the essence of customization. They are a quality-conscious organization that believes in delivery of fresh fashion by organically developing embroidered fabrics from scratch based on customers' requirements like borders to even Schiffli garments. They believe in rigorous structured training of their employees and ensuring that their skill sets are keeping up with the dynamic trends of the industry. Acme is an organization which has open-minded outlook and is always open to try new ideas. Equipped with world-class Swiss-made latest laser Schiffli embroidery machines, Acme boasts of a sample machine that can produce even 1 meter of customized embroidered fabric for their customers. Acme Creation stands for pinnacle of hard work and commitment. They are never afraid to try out-of-the-box ideas, and their work, their vision and their team is a true testament to that.